morning children, how are you? Okay, today I am going to teach degrees of comparison. So already you learned in 5th class only positive, comparative and superlative. So three types are there, no? So maybe you learn everything. But today you are 6th class, no? So I want to teach how to change the other degrees. Okay? America is the richest country in the world. This is the superlative degree. So here America is the richest country in the world. This is the superlative degree. How we know that is the superlative degree? You remember, for every superlative degree, before the adjective, the should be there. That is the very important one. Okay, ma? So in the superlative degree, before the adjective, the should be there. So here in the world means more examples we are taking. America is the richest country in the world. So in the world means more countries will be there. So that is the superlative degree. This superlative degree, how we have to change into comparative degree. America is richer. Here what I use? Am I kept the? No. Only the should be in the superlative degree. So here richer. While you are writing, you might have to remember what are the degrees you are writing. You know you very well. You learn in 3rd, 4th, 5th classes. So richest in the superlative degree, EST ends with the superlative degree and ER ends with the comparative degree. America is richer than. Than should be there. Why we are comparing? You are comparing. So comparison we have to use the than. America is richer than any other country. Any other country in the world. In the world. So here all the comparative degrees than should be there. Than. In the superlative degree, the before the adjective, than in the comparative degree. Comparison means we are taking not whole, only 2 or 1. So 1 or 2 we are taking the examples in the comparative degree, not more. So America is richer than any other country. Any other country not competitive to the America. How can we say there is no competition? The common noun is in singular. When the common noun is in singular in the superlative degree, we can say easily there is no competition. So with that, we written any other in the comparative degree. Any other country not comparison to the America. America only richest country. Then adjective degree, how we have to start? No other country in the world is as rich as America. As rich as America. Here the positive degree start with the no other. Positive degree start with the no other. That is the common. So what is the main in the positive degree mean? As will be there. So where I kept the right mark, these are the main things. So before the adjective the, after than any other in the comparative degree, positive degree start with the no other. That means when the common noun is in singular, there is no competition. So with that word we are saying any other, so no country competitive to the America. With the help of that, in the positive degree, start with the no other. No other country in the world is as rich as America. These are the changes. Okay, ma? So America is the richest country in the world. America is richer than any other country in the world. No other country in the world is as rich as America. So this is the first type. This is known as the, what we will say, this type of the degree, while we are changing, you can say this is the ordinary type. Ordinary type. 4 types are there. So I taught only first one. Ordinary type. In the ordinary type, the common noun is in singular in the superlative degree. This is the very important one. So 4 types I told no. This type you won't get the in second type. In the comparative degree, then after than any other will come. Then positive degree start with the no other. Main clue is before the adjective the, then in the comparative degree, as in the positive degree. These are the clues to identify superlative, comparative and positive. This is the ordinary type, first type. 4 types are there. I taught only number 1. Okay. Shall I give the homework? Have you understood? Okay. First example, homework. Sita is the tallest girl in the class. Change into comparative degree. And positive degree. What I told the clues you have to remember and do. Then some more positive degree I will give. You write the comparative degree and superlative degree. Bright, beautiful, good, large. For this you write the comparative and superlative degree. Okay? Have you remembered how to write? What are the clues? Once again I will tell. In the superlative degree, before the adjective, that should be there in the superlative degree. Easily you can identify. And second one, comparative degree, then will be there. Then third one, in the positive degree, as will be there. So these are the main clues. What are the common clues to identify superlative, comparative and then positive? Before the adjective, the. Comparative degree, then. Positive degree, as. These are the important clues. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Can you write? Okay. So, how to write when the common noun is in singular in the superlative degree? We are writing than in the any other in the comparative degree. So, with the help of any other, the positive degree start with the no other. These are the very important one. Why? Because this is the first type. I told you no ordinary type. So still we have the 3 exercises. In these 3 we won't get all these. But before the adjective the will be there in all. And than will be there. But as is also there. So what we used? First one, common noun singular in superlative degree. That is the we'll find in the only superlative degree. Any other in the comparative degree. Then no other start with the positive degree. These are the main important one to identify. That is the ordinary type. Okay, have you understood? Is it clear? Okay, it is all right in the classwork only. I'll give some more exercises. I'll scan and send to the all children. Okay, ma? Have a nice day. Bye.
మేము కాదు నా పక్కన